Today I wanted to come and do a review for you guys. This is OMG Her Hair. I think that's a cute name. And this is the packaging that it comes in. It has their YouTube, their social tags for Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and their website. I'll link all of that below. And I'm doing this on a client, so we're gonna see what it looks like. This is what's in the packaging. Let me stand up so you can see. It came with this, a wig cap, an elastic band, a care oh, it got an affiliate thing on there too, but it shows like different people that has reviewed their hair. Some of these people I recognize from YouTube. And then a comb by Tony Guy. And this wig is 20-inch natural color, 150 density, and the hair is kinky curly. Take all of this off. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like before I do anything to it. And then I'm going to show you how I bleach the knots. But this is the hairline. Let me see if I can get this lighting better. So, okay, there we go. So, the hairline is supposed to be pre-plucked already. They did pretty good. I ain't mad at it. I mean, of course, I'm gonna customize it some more to fit my client. And this lace isn't transparent lace, but it's like almost my skin complexion, so it looks transparent. And it's a 360 wig. It's a 360 wig, so it has the lace. The parting space is really good in it. So it has combs in there, which some of the combs I'm probably going to take out, but it has the... Okay, so the items I'm going to use, well, you'll need to bleach your knots, which plenty of YouTubers done showed you, but I'm going to tell you again. I'm going to use some gloves, a mixing bowl. I like using this type of brush with a middle tail comb. I use Olaplex 30 volume developer and BW2 lightener. This isn't my favorite lightener, but it'll work for bleaching knots, and foil. Using the BW2 lightener and 30 volume developer and Olaplex, and I like to mix it to where it's a thick consistency, and I'm gonna bleach the knots. And I'm just going to add, I just used the Got to Be clear gel on her edges to slick her edges back. I applied a pantyhose and sprayed Got to Be Freeze Spray. The knots have set for like 20 minutes with the bleach on it. I wash it out and use the purple shampoo to sit on there to tone out the knots to make it more of a natural color. And then I'm just going to wash that out and go ahead and wash the wig and condition it. And y'all, I had like hardly any shedding. Like it was like a tiny amount of hair left after I washed it. with T-Pens. I use the Pravana Nevo leave-in conditioner and the Super Skinny Serum by Paul Mitchell. And I just rub that all through the hair. And I'm going to go in with some Curl Maker by Camilla Rose. Also, you can get it at Target. And rub it through the hair. And then I'm going to figure out where I'm going to part it. She wanted the center part. So we're doing the center part. And I'm going to tweeze the hairline to my liking. I don't like to over tweeze. But I'm going to tweeze it enough to give it a more realistic hairline. And set the baby hair. And set it up underneath the dryer to at least get the lace dry before I install it on her head. It's dry. I'm taking a razor, which that one is dull, so I'm gonna go back with my shears and cut as close to her hairline as possible. And I like to get it like really close without cutting their hair when I do this step. Underneath the dryer with a Nairobi foam wrap, and how the baby hairs and everything look. Look how natural that looks. Ayy. On the actual person's head and see exactly where it's going to sit at, how the lace looks before I stain it or spray a stain or anything on it. So with her, I actually end up not having to spray it like to stain it, but I did use a little foundation, and you'll see that a little bit later. But I'm just cutting her ears out, and I like to get it really, really close to the ears. And then I'm going to take it back off and start the glue process. I like to cut the lace before I glue the wig down, so I'm gonna cut the lace using a razor, an eyebrow archer razor, and then I'm gonna take the boldhold active and start. I do 2 layers of glue, but you'll see in this process how I do that. I want it like right where her natural hairline would be. So I'm pressing that down in, and then I'm going to take the blow dryer and dry it and get the pieces. I'm going to cut any extra pieces that I see that needs to be cut, and I'm going to glue down any extra pieces that need to be glued down in this process. And then add on the scarf. Let her sit under the dryer for like 15 to 20 minutes. And we about done. Girl, hold on.
Ah.
Oh. She cute. Okay, so we're gonna take this clip out. And I'm just gonna spray a little bit of, I'm gonna show you guys what this look like dry. I'm gonna lift her up. So I'm gonna have to lift the camera up. I'm gonna show you what it looks like dry before I put some leave-in conditioner on it. But this is what it looks like dry. It's really soft. It's not tangled at all, even though I just had it up in this clip. Like, it's really pretty. This is the natural texture of it. Not shitting all over the place. And I'm gonna bring it up on the hairline so you can see. And I'm gonna part it for y'all. So, like, I'll show you the parting space. Like, she could do a deep side part with no problem if she wanted to. Like, it's just usually wigs. Okay, you guys, this is the finished look. Be sure to subscribe below, hit that notification bell to see the next time I upload a video. This was a review on OMGHerHair.com hair. It's a kinky curly wig in 20-inch, and it is gorgeous. Be sure to subscribe below. Thank you. Bye.